of the questions that I get on a daily basis, and I'm not exaggerating. I get calls and emails and text messages almost daily from someone asking a question. This is someone who bought their hair online and there's no customer service. They don't know how to put it on. The first thing they say is, do you install wigs? And I go, what does that mean? I mean, I've never used the term install, but yeah, I go, no, I don't install wigs, but tell me what your situation is. And so they get their wigs, and it feels like it has a definite part, but it's on the wrong side. I just want you to know that most wigs have what's called a multi-directional implant or knotting, usually right around this part of the top of the head. What does that mean? That means that the hair that's knotted into this netting can flip over and go this way, the opposite way, because the knot swivels. So in my case, I part on this side. If I wanted to one day wake up and say, I'm going to do something different, and I part it this way, it's going to go right back, because it's been trained to go on this side. How do I get rid of that memory or take away that training that the wig has? Well, it's real simple. All you have to do is wet it. Now, wet it, you can wash it thoroughly, condition it, and rinse it. Again, when you're rinsing, rinse. You don't want any of those products stuck in the knotting area, because they will slip, I promise that. So then you're going to take it and you're going to part it on another side. And it's not going to want to go that way. Why? Because it has memory. The memory is, but it's always gone this way. Why are you forcing me to go this way? Just be patient with it. Part it the right way, put a clip on it, take a blow dryer right at the base, just a little bit of heat right at the base. Now the memory is going, oh, that's right, I am able to part on the other side. So just know it's that you can do that. Multi-directional is the way it's described. If you're talking to a wig maker or you're buying it online, you're probably not going to get anybody online that's going to answer all these questions. But if you do get it and you're frustrated because you can't get it to go, just know in most cases it can be parted on either side, usually right within this range. From here to here, you can part it on either side. I'm happy to help you if you have questions. If you're stuck, you can call me. I'm Peggy Knight, and my phone number is 415-877-7004, and you can also just reach out to me, text me, or you can reach out to me on my email, peggy@peggyknight.com. And I'd be happy to give you some answers that you may or may not be getting from your supplier, because sometimes there's just no one there. It's just a shipping department. They're sending it out. So I would say, call me. I'm happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.